Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dish Easy Access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the official Dish Network website URL. Press the Enter key to load the page. Look for the Sign In option, typically found in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field below. If you prefer, check the box for Remember Me to save your login details for future access. Once you have filled in both fields, click on the Sign In button. Wait a moment as the page processes your login information. If your credentials are correct, you'll be redirected to your Dish account dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, navigate through the features and services available. That's it. You're now logged into your Dish account for easy access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.